STQM1203. So I'm as the first presenter for this group project, and I will be presenting on the introduction part, which is we're gonna go through the selected topic on the vector analysis, and we are selecting the subtopic of cross product. So first of all, what is the cross product? Let us look on the general definition for the vector. So basically, a vector has a magnitude and a direction. Two vectors can be multiplied using the cross product method. So basically, the cross product A multiplies by B of two vectors is another vector that is at the right angle to both, and it happens at 3 dimensions. Also, the cross product is 0 in length when the vectors A and B point in the same or opposite direction. Also reaches maximum length when vectors A and B are right angles, and it can point one way or the other.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Aishah, Turrida, Binti, Yusoff, and my matrix number is 288555, and I will give you an example for the cross product and the solution for the question. Thank you! Now, I would like to share some example questions on cross product. Let's take a look into that. And before that, I want to show you the formula to find the cross product. As we all know, the cross product only occurs in 3 space vectors. And here is the formula to find the cross product. So the question of example 1 is based on the value of vector u and vector b given. Find the cross product of u cross v. And the solution for these questions is simple and easy. First, arrange the vector, then form the vectors in matrix accordingly. Next, solve the matrix, and finally, we'll get the cross product. Now, I will show you how to solve this question step by step. For the first step, as I mentioned just now, we have to rearrange the vector in this position, which is the first vector located at the upper part, and the second vector is located at the lower part. It can help us more easily to form the vectors in matrix accordingly. Next, to the first space of cross product of u cross v, we will cancel or slash out the first column of the matrix and rewrite the rest of the number to form a new 2x2 matrix. And so the second space and the third space, we will slash out the second column for the second space and the third column for the third space. After we done this step, we will get 3 new 2x2 matrix. But always remember to add the negative signs for the second space matrix. For the last step, which is step 3, we will solve this new matrix as the same way to find determinant. For those who are not familiar with determinants, to solve for the first matrix is 4 times 10 minus 5 times 6. And you can try to solve the next 2 matrices as the same way of the first matrix. And finally, we will get the answer for the cross product of u cross v. Urgently, I want to remind here the cross product u cross v is not the same as v cross u. Okay, that's all from me.
Hello, my name is Hafiz bin Sukeri, and my matric number is 285885. So I will be representing on conclusion part.
Conclusion for this topic: elementary vector analysis. What do you understand about vectors? So we'll see for the next slide. Let's go. So here are 4 things you should know about vectors. Vectors are used to represent quantities. Vectors with the same length and the same direction are called equivalent. Addition of 2 vectors will resulting new vector that called unified vector. The vector of the length 0 is called the zero vector and denoted by 0. Next one is operation on vectors. First one is dot product. There are 2 formula that we can know. U times V equal U1 V1 plus U2 V2 plus U3 V3 for vector in 3 space. U times V equal U1 V1 plus U2 V2 for vectors in 2 space. Next one is operation on vectors for cross product. Cross product will define a type of vector multiplication that produce a vector as the product but which used only in 3 space. So here are the formula. Next one is which direction. The cross product could point in the completely opposite direction and still at right angles to the two other vectors. So we have the right hand rule. With your right hand, point your index finger along the vector A and point your middle finger along vector B. The cross product goes in the direction of your thumb. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.